stock market going to crash, or is it going to continue its bull rally? Guys, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you exactly from A to Z of what I believe is going to happen the next upcoming few days. Now, guys, in no way is this a suggestion to take and solely blindly invest of what I'm telling you to do. Always have due diligence behind your trades, you guys. It really helps. And honestly, at the end of the day, if you're taking trades just solely based off listening to others and not doing your own analysis, guys, you have a higher probability of honestly losing because you don't know when the entry prices are going to be, or the exit plan is going to be. So you have to have some good analysis behind the trades that you take. So in this video, again, I'm just giving you guys the insights of what I believe is going to happen, and I want you guys to learn exactly how I'm trading. So let's get right into it. All right, what's going on, team? So we've had some major stocks on our watch list this past week, well, Monday and today. And when I made my YouTube video last week, I was actually supposed to get a watch list up on Sunday. I didn't get around to that, so I ended up just posting kind of like my pre-market watch list for Monday morning to the VIP chat. So I was obviously watching Walmart, and I saw some crazy moves towards the upside on Walmart happening, and we ended up playing Walmart earnings, which was a awesome success. We ended up literally cashing out pretty big on Walmart. I think it was like 185% or something like that. I'm still currently holding some Walmart right now. Nothing too crazy. And as far as like everything else goes, so we're going to take a look at SPY. Now, you guys, typically when I tell you, hey, this might happen, or, do this in the stock market, guys, just always make sure you have some type of, background, analysis from it before you solely just take a blind trade. Because the last thing you want to do, and I'm telling you guys, like, the last thing you guys want to do is just get screwed over, and you're going to take a fat loss on a trade, and you're just going to end up losing money. So I want you guys to do your own due diligence at the end of the day, and just like I always say, only trade with money that you can afford to lose, of course. Scalping and day trading is a little bit safer for a lot of people. If you have a big portfolio, that's what I suggest doing to make some quick gains here in and out. So obviously we approached, a high, you guys, today before we saw a super fat drop. The market really pulled back today, about $4. I'm actually kind of upset that I missed this. Again, with a lot of things that's going on in my life right now, I honestly missed a lot of scalps today. I'm mad, that I miss these, but again, tomorrow's always another opportunity. So, don't beat yourself up over it. If you didn't trade today, or if you lost money, come in stronger tomorrow. Understand what I'm teaching you. Apply the teachings and the knowledge that I'm showing you in this video, because I'm gonna spit out a lot of free game, guys. But it just depends how you take it. So, going into tomorrow's trading day, we're gonna be watching SPY, particularly SPY, because again, it's been the highest moving ETF right now in the game, and it's been making moves. So a lot of people are bullish, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm bearish temporarily. Okay, I don't see the market going up so much higher than this 431. And now, again, I know before you guys comment down below or like disagree with me and all this stuff, guys, we can't have consecutive run-up days. Okay, we just can't without a cool-off. Okay, I call this the cool-off stage. A lot of traders make mistakes of chasing, right? And this is what they get caught up into. They get caught up in the whole action of, oh my God, well, I thought the market was going to hit new highs. I thought it was just going to keep going up, 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 up. Guys, the market doesn't do that, okay? And trust me, like, I've been in this game for so many damn years, man, and like, it's just, it honestly ruins a trader, because of course you're making money, you're buying here, you're selling here a little bit, selling up here a little bit, you're just buying, right? Calls to the moon, right? Everybody's playing calls, everybody's going long in the market. But you guys, there's a cool-off stage. Whatever goes up, it must have a cool-off stage, right? So it's going to have a set drawback. Now, to what levels, I'm going to show you guys in this video, what levels are we going to have those drawbacks to. There's never a stock that just continues to rally for days upon days upon days upon days. If there's like 3 or 4 days of green days, and we see right here, it's no lie, nothing, I'm hiding or anything. I mean, we had a green day here, kind of a red to green day here, green day, green day, green day. Okay, we had just about 5 consecutive green days, back to back. That's pretty crazy, right? And again, I'm not considering this as like a crazy green day. It was still a red day, kind of. I mean, we still made the new high and then finished off down for the day, but we had 3 consecutive green days followed back to back. Now, CCI is first off, showing momentum towards the downside. It's showing a slight pullback. Okay, this is normal. This is normal. You don't want to see an unhealthy market just have green, 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 and never a slight pullback, right? We have green, 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 pullback. Green, 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 slight pullback. Green, consolidation, 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 then break green, right? Now, we had 1 break, 2 breaks, right? We reached a high of 431. 431 was a crucial key level of what? Resistance, right? So that crucial level of resistance, right, I got from 430. So what happened here, right? And the reason why I said 431, and hear me out, okay? I said 431 because that's what presented in the market today, okay? 430 was the actual resistance, but what tends to happen in most cases is the stock will run up to the resistance, right, 430, okay, what we see here, and it'll start to consolidate, okay? It'll start to consolidate around that area because it's a major zone where sellers want to come in and then just want to dump the stock, okay? And then it obviously drops it slightly. But in this case, what happened here today, and the reason why I'm showing you this, because you guys, this is an indication that a drop is going to happen. Now, it could happen all the way down to 426. We can come down to 421. But a drop will happen. It will happen. Now, being on the right side is very important, you guys, especially when you're trading. You always want to be on the right side, especially when you're trading options. So we had a really big run up to yesterday, right? Huge run up. Then we had a run up today. We made some new highs to the 430 level. Great. Now we consolidate around this range. Okay, we consolidated around this range. What happened here? Ran up, shot up to 431.73. Now we're in the ballpark, right? Now we're getting some momentum. This was a huge, shot down. Okay, and this is going to happen, right? We're going to get this huge pullback followed by an upward movement. Because again, you guys, we're still in a bull rally because of the consecutive green days and buyers just stepping in massively. So what's going to happen? Okay, buyers are going to try to step in, and they're going to try to push this up. Of course, we're going to test these levels, but I think by pre-market tomorrow we're going to open up, possibly by pre-market tomorrow. Okay, I'm not saying this for sure. That's why we've swung some SPY puts. So pre-market tomorrow, if I did my lines correct, I can show you guys. I'm going to actually clear this. So pre-market tomorrow, I'm predicting that the market is going to drop all the way to this 426 range, right? So we hit a high, and it might drop to the 426 range. Now, because I'm slightly bearish, I'm not going to be, like I said, I'm not going to be just, oh, I'm a bear, No, this is short-term, you guys. Short-term bear. Okay, so I guess the fibs kind of changed a little bit. We need to have that pullback. That's what a lot of traders don't understand. We need to have that pullback. So why not try to, possibly get in at the top. That's my suggestion. You get in at the top and try to predict where the top is. Now, a lot of people are going to argue and be like, no, you don't know where the top is. Dude, I know where the top is because of supply and demand zones, right? So this was a crucial level of resistance right here, okay, which was if I actually pinpoint it right to it, you guys, it's like right about there, 430, okay? That was nearly the top, okay? This was like basically the top before we drop. I'm not saying this is going to happen, right? I'm just saying that was a top. That was a level that was tested at. So if we look at the overall, where are we seeing the trend? Right? The trend is obviously going up in this case. Right? And we can actually even put it right here because this was like the first pullback somewhere around this area before it went through and it broke through, right? So at some point, okay, guys, when you understand this, at some point, we're going to see a fallback back down to here, 385. Okay, I know it's going to disappoint a lot of you guys probably watching this video, but we're probably going to see a pullback to this 385, or probably even lower, just depending how the market reacts. I mean, we could see a new high. We could see SPY make new highs, right? It can go to 460, and then it could pull back all the way down to this trend level, right? So that is going to be my opinion, obviously, on the market. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen now. I'm not going to say it's going to happen tomorrow. But we need to have a slight pullback. That's just healthy for the market. Where I'm going to be watching levels, okay, based off of what? Based off this trend, you guys. I'm going to be watching these levels, right? So these levels right here, as of right now, okay, we are technically in a rising wedge. Okay, so that helps our position, and helps give us confidence to hold our position because we are kind of in a slight rising wedge. We're closing up tight in this wedge. What tends to happen when it closes up tight, it gives up, and then boom, a fall has happened. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if by Friday we see SPY 422, right? And again, I know a lot of you guys are going to comment down below. No way SPY is going down there. It's going to go to 400 million. You guys, it's just not healthy for the market. If you guys want to be in a healthy, stable market, you need to understand direction and where it presents. You need to understand the presence of the market. Where is it presenting its opportunity? So yes, do we want to obviously trade in the right direction? Of course. I'm not here to steer you guys wrong. I mean, I want you guys to obviously make money. It's not the point. I want you guys to make a lot of money. But how you make a lot of money is understanding the trend. So this is how I'm going to go about the stock market tomorrow. Okay. 2 simple ways. If the market, so now I'm currently holding puts. Okay, guys. If the market obviously opens up around this area. Okay. Opens up around this area, I'm going to look to short the rejection off of 430. 430 for a play down to 425. Again, healthy rejection. Nothing too crazy, But with trading options, you guys, you make a lot of money doing that. Okay, a lot of people can make a lot of money doing that. So where do I get my levels? First off, this level right here is going to be the main level I'm going to be watching, which is going to be this 429.40, okay, first level. I'm going to actually delete this because I want to actually see a level that's kind of on a higher time frame, but not the daily time frame. Now, if we notice any other levels, so psychological levels 425, okay, 425, 426. We see some consolidation here. So we have this level marked. If SPY opens up below here, we're going to see probably a rejection off this 430, followed by a little bit of a drop. If we break this wedge during the night, you guys, SPY is doomed. all the way to 425, even 420 or 422. We can see a drop. I'm not getting the exact levels I want, but if I were to go with SPY as a support, 423 is going to be a good support. And again, you guys, this is solely based off my own analysis. Make sure you guys always do your due diligence. Don't solely base your trades off anybody's analysis. Take them as suggestions and take them as an opinion. So actually I want to stretch this out even further right here. Again, you guys, I'm showing you exactly my plan for tomorrow. Like I said, nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. So typically, hypothetically speaking, we could see a fall back to 417 in the longer term perspective. 417. And why do I see that? Is because these right here, this level is convincing me, right? Before we broke, we tested it, bounced off of it. And you guys, that's okay. If we see a pullback to 417, that's okay, because we can be followed by a massive bounce. There's nothing against the books that says, oh, the market needs to drop down or needs to go up to 480, right? Or 470. We see a fall back there. Now, that's a little bit, crazy because, again, with the market conditions, I just wanted to see exactly where that level would be. But if I were to go probably with the closest levels, I'd probably do that just because a healthy pullback, I would say, would be around this 9 EMA, around the 420. And again, that's a $9 move. I know you guys are going to be like, oh my God, it's not dropping that much. Again, you guys, I'm just following what the trend and directions presented me. I don't follow anybody else's opinion or what anybody else tells me to do. I do what I do because I'm successful at it, you guys, and I want you to be in that position too. So 421 would be a good healthy level. I would start scaling out, obviously, around 426, because this level is just going to be a crucial level of what? Support, right? So support level is going to be around this 426.80. Start scaling out some position here. Yeah, you can hold probably till Friday. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised till Friday. Around Friday's market, SPY is going to hit around 420, 421. And again, we just need that slight pullback, just kind of how we had right here. Guys, nothing, like I said, nothing too crazy. Slight pullback from 399 all the way down to 389, right? A $10 move, right? I'm asking for a $9 move, which again, not bad. Not bad at all. Like I said, if market kind of opens up, around this area right here, I'm going to look to buy the rejection for puts around this area, short it, and play some puts. All right, guys, I hope this video is informational to all of you. I hope you took something from it. Again, play where direction is presented. Don't play based off anybody else's opinion except for your own. Do your own due diligence. Always understand where you're putting your money, especially when it comes to investing in the stock market. Always have a game plan and execute your game plan. And let's freaking go, baby. We're going to make some money tomorrow.